Welcome to Kelly's Cookout. Today we're making a fire meal that includes both an entree and a dessert. Spider dogs and roasted chipmunks. Let's begin. To make the spider dogs, you'll need wieners, a knife, a cutting board, and a roasting stick. For the classic spider dog shape, make a cut at one end of the wiener, but not all the way to the center. Rotate 90 degrees and make the same cut again. Repeat the same two cuts at the other end, again making sure not to cut all the way to the center. You want about 2 or 3 centimeters of uncut area in the middle. Here I'm doing a spiral dog. Cut partway into the wiener on an angle, top to bottom, rotating as you go. For a caterpillar, make small cuts all along one side, being careful not to cut all the way through. Now insert your roasting stick and you're ready to cook. For the roasted chipmunks, you'll need peppermint patties, brownies, and tinfoil. On the shiny side of a tinfoil square, place 1 brownie, 1 peppermint patty, and 1 more brownie on top. Wrap it all up, and you're ready to bake. It's when you're roasting that the designs really take shape. The classic spider dog, the caterpillar, talking spiral, and more fun designs. Bake the roasted chipmunk packets on a fire grate or in coals for about 3 to 5 minutes, just until the peppermint patties are starting to melt. Remove from the heat, unwrap, and enjoy. If you'd like to see the full written version of the recipe, check out the video description. If you make the recipe, we'd love to know about it, so comment down below. And if you take a picture and post it on one of your socials, please tag Camping with the Coles. Happy cooking, happy camping.